problem. I gotta learn about that one though. Screencast-O-Matic.
Good morning. We're going to look at your sight words for the week. The first word is am. Am. I am a girl. Am. What is this word? Good job. The next word is at. At. I am at the store. At. What is this word? Excellent. The next word is can. Can. I can write. Can. What is this word? Good job. The next word is go. Go. I go to work. Go. What is this word? Fantastic. The next word is. Is. My mom is pretty. Pretty is beautiful. My mom is pretty. The word is. What is this word? Muy bien. The next word is like. Like. I like my teacher. Like. Can you read this word? Excellent. Like. The next word is me. Me. My dad plays with me. Me. What is this word? Good job. The next word is see. See. I see George Washington. See. What is this word? Good job. The next word is the. The. The moon is big. The. What is this word? Good job. The next word is to. To. I go to the kitchen. To. What is this word? Excellent. Good job. Keep practicing your sight words.